Welcome back to my channel, you guys. My name is Shana-Kay. Thank you so much for joining me. Now, guess what? We are basically cleaning my kitchen today because your girl's kitchen is looking like a hot mess. And I've been meaning to like organize the cupboard and them something there. I like wash up the dishes and all of them something there, but I've not gotten a chance, so I'm literally going to be doing that today. Why the bad boy there annoy me? Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys what in here look like now, what under the cupboard them look like right now, because I kind of feel ashamed for showing under my cupboard, but we're gonna do it, right? So a whole bag of plates and something we need to wash. Then they need to pack out. Like the stove and something need to clean, and a bag of things are going on the counter space here, so. And we have some whole heap of things on the floor. One bag of things. Let me give you a peep underneath the cupboard. Lord of mercy. This is what under my cupboard look like. A whole bag of stuff just throw down and sitting. Them need to organize. And in the drawer them, same thing. Yeah. So I'm going to do my best with organizing everything that I can. And as you can see, on top of the fridge is just yeah, so all of them something I need to clean. So basically I'm going to just start off by cleaning up the counters and wash up the dishes and them something there, and then I'm going to move on to like the organizing part of it. So some portion of this video is going to be like a little speed through cleaning, and yeah, so I have time today, so I might as well do this because Christmas I come and I need the place kind of spick and span and all these things. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, share it with your friends. Let's go.
Show me love, 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 show me love. Show me love. Put your body on top of mine and hold me like you'll never let me go. It feels like I've been giving you the best of me, and you just keep on letting me down. I can't taste it with your lips on mine, that you don't love me like you did that night. I'm so nervous that you'll never feel the same, and you'll never find a place in my arms. Hey, show me love, 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 show me love. I'm not asking you for much, just give me something to feel. Show me love, show me love, show me love. Call me up if you feel a little lonely. I wanna spend some more time with you, 'cause I'm anxious to know what you feel for me now. Just give me something. I can't taste it with your lips on mine, that you don't love me like you did that night. I'm so nervous that you'll never feel the same, and you'll never find a place in my arms. Hey, show me love, 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 show me love. I'm not asking you for much, just give me something to feel. Show me love, show me love, show me love. I can't taste it. Your lips on mine, that you don't love me like you did that night. I'm so nervous that you'll never feel the same, and you'll never find a place in my arms. Hey, show me love, show me love, show me love, show me love.
I told you guys that this is a proper deep cleaning video, right? So I finished the stove, and now I'm moving on to the counters to clean off the counters and all of those things. And then I'm going to move on to the top of the fridge, and then after the top of the fridge I'm going to move on to what's inside the cupboards at the bottom here. So yeah, let's go.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? A scene that keeps playing on repeat, ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? All your emotions with your heart on your sleeve, it won't fade until you paint it black. I let it burn, you call the fire brigade, but I feel that it will come back. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come
Alright, so because I don't have a lot of counter space in my kitchen, I have to keep the microwave on the counter, and I hate it. I'm still trying to figure out how I can take it off the counter and put it somewhere else, but I've not figured it out yet because the kitchen space is really small. So I've been racking my brain to see how I can best sort this thing out and take it off the counter so I can get more counter space, because the counter space is already small. To have this big of a microwave on top of the counter is not working out for me because I can't get to utilize the counter space as much as I want to. So I find that I can't keep the blender. Basically, I can't really keep the blender on the counter. I have to technically find a space for it. Because if I put it on the counter, guess if I put it over there, it's on the counter. There's a plug. There's a plug over there. The blender. Or what I can do is just, I guess I can probably tuck the blender away, and when we're ready to use it, then we just take it down. Because I have space in the top cupboard up here. Yeah. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just going to keep it tucked away until I can figure some stuff out. I have like our vitamins and so on the counter, and I really want to take these off as well and find a better place to put them. So alright, before I touch that, I am going to move on to the top of the fridge before I touch this because I think I need to figure some stuff out where the vitamins and them something is concerned, where I'm going to put them where they're easily accessible. This jug, or it's a cookie jar or something like that. What I'm gonna do is just going to put these stones in there.
Feels like I've been giving you the best of me, and you just keep on letting me down. I can't taste it.
This is so cute, right? Basically a faux plant in there with some stones. I think I'm going to put it over that corner. There's so much junk up here and stuff that I don't know where to put them, like my mats. I need to throw this away. These foil paper, Ziploc bags. this leftover what's it called now? It's burlap that I had used on my Christmas table, for my Christmas decor. So I had cut it because it was so long. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to just put that on top of the fridge. God, I don't think you guys can see. So this is where they'll live. And then I had gotten this as a gift, so I'm going to put that back up there too, because I don't have a need for them at the moment. That's all that's gonna go on there. I'm not putting any more of those things that was on there, and I'm putting them back up there at all, because I think like this is just ridiculous. So I want it to be as clutter free as possible, so I'm taking everything off of it and leave only those things up there. So I'm going to find somewhere else to put like the foil paper, the saran wrap, all of those things.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? A scene that keeps playing on repeat.
Alright guys, it's finally time for me to clear out all of these things and put them on top of the counter, and then organize under here as best as I can. For now, I didn't get any organizational containers or anything. I'm just going to like pack them and organize them. And I guess the next video, when I decide to finally like do the makeover for the kitchen, then I'll tackle the whole deep organizational situation under here. For now, I'm just going to pack them up properly so I can basically see everything that I have. So yeah, let's go.
Where does it come from? Oh, where does it come we're in. I breathe you in and I can tell where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Where does it come from?
But this is what under the cupboard looks like now compared to what it looked like before. So I have everything organized under there, basically pots with pots, Tupperware with Tupperware, storage containers with storage containers, Over here I have like jugs and so on and so forth, more storage containers, and then under there I have more pots. So it's a lot more organized now than it was before. So I'm really happy about it and what it looks like, so I can see everything that I have under there. I'm so exhausted, you guys. I had to draw for a cup of tea because I haven't had anything much to eat today. So I'm having like some red rose tea now, and I've completely finished cleaning up. So let me just give you a little show of what it looks like now.
I feel the warmth of your skin. I feel the touch of your hand. Love you with all of my heart. Makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. I'm here in my bed. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I wanna be with you always.